In this video, I'm going to cover how I made this into a badass CBR600RR. There is not another one like this around. Stick around, I'm going to explain to you and tell you how I made this bike. All right, so this is going to be impromptu, on the fly, cover it just for today. All right, first thing is I added these stickers. This is a track only bike and I added these stickers. All right, just want to show these. All right, so people want to know how I got performance out of this bike. Well, I'm going to tell you, the first thing I did is I had the factory add 36 cc's extra to it. Livened it right up. Got this awesome red paint job after a crash at Road Atlanta. Honda red. That was the color I said I want this bike. Got this badass Olin shock back here. Completely replaced OEM shock on it. It's an OEM build, factory fresh build right there. Nissan front calipers, Superbike ABS or Superbike lines, a -1 +2 gearing. I want this bike, since it's been so reliable, it identifies as a Honda. This is a Honda CBR600RR. This is one of the fastest Hondas you're going to see on the track. I'm going to try to cover all my secrets, but like I said, right now I added 36 cc's extra. All right, so let me think. Full exhaust. Hindle, love full exhaust. Love the Hindle. Hindle's been excellent. It's like for the money, I haven't found anything better. Let's have some battle scars. I rode Atlanta. No big deal. You can see right here. Just like a Honda though, it kept on ticking. I actually could drive it home. Drove home the truck that day. Anyway, I just want you to take a good look at this bike. This is how you do make a fast Honda. You want a Honda that's fast, I'm telling you, this is what you do. This right here, this is probably 20, 30 extra horsepower you're looking at just from what I've done. Then if you really want to scare the other people on the track and show them who's boss, this is what you do right here. You pull that off and let them see the Kawasaki power.